stop motion of folding paper airplane. Here is the folding process. So first you're gonna fold it up and crease right there. Now you're going to fold it diagonally, crease it. You can fold diagonally again and just crease the middle also. And crease it, the middle, remember. Now fold it upward, even more diagonal, and crease it. Then do the same on the other side, upward, like more diagonal, and crease in the middle of it. Now you're done with that, you're going to flip it over and fold up, and of course, crease, but from the middle. Now on the other side, crease it more. Now flip it and fold diagonally up and crease the middle and the side. Then on the other side, do the same thing. Crease the middle and crease the side. Now do this weird step where you do like push it inwards where you're facing. Do the same thing on the other side. Create like a hole in the middle too. And remember to crease when you reach the bottom. Start creasing the edges and the middle. Now flip it over. And turn it over. Then fold upwards. Crease where you folded. Now fold sideways. Pull it out now. Now go back sideways. And then you're gonna fold inwards toward you and crease it a bit. Once you're done doing that, you are going to flip it over to the other side. It's a pretty weird step, but that'd be kind of hard for you. Now that you have that, yeah, flip it over like that. Just make sure that, yes, like that. And now side it, and then crease it, just like I was talking about last time. Okay, now you're done with that. You are done with your paper airplane. Yay! Now you're going to test out the paper airplane. That is called a fail.